What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. Welcome to another update on Solana. Solana has made some interesting moves, and I'm kind of liking it that we are moving up. If you look at the volume on its own, the volume is slightly increasing. These are 4 hourly bars. If you look at the 1 hourly chart, 1 hourly volume, slightly increasing. So nice and steady increase in volume. On the daily, you could see the opposite volume is declining, but on the 4 hourly chart, you see that volume's increasing. Uh, I must say, daily shows that this move is not volume supported. However, we are getting volatility, and it moved exactly as predicted. We got to that at least 25.8, and now we're trying to break above that 25.8 again. My zone was this 25.731. I called it $26, and that was just a move back up, a retrace back up. And if you want to know how I got that level, watch my previous videos on Solana. I go in depth and explain them. Now, what's the next zone for Solana? I have this naked point of control on the let's go on the 4 hourly. I believe it also shows on the 4 hourly. It's a naked point of control that hasn't been tapped yet, around the 27, let's call it $27. Now Solana, as I said before, we could be going up to the $30 range. We have the 32, another NPOC, and we have the 36. So my next zone for Solana is at least $27 followed by $32. The thing is, when we hit these NPOCs, usually we get a pullback, but as you can see, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, there's not much signs of slowing down. This is on the 4 hourly. On the daily, I would like to see if we have any EMAs that are going to cause us headwind as we get up. At $34, we'll have the 233 EMA. Let's see, the last time we touched it, we spiked above only to fall lower. So it might be a slight problem when we get there, but let's see when we get there what happens. If we pull a fixed range volume profile of this upper range, I will want to see if we have any value area lows that will be coming, bumping our heads on when we get there. We would have the value area high of this entire price movement with the 233 at 34. So keep that price in mind. You have the 27, you have the 30 and the 32 and 34, which would be very strong. But in my opinion, since we passed this volume node and we are above this next volume node, and we are at the moment at this volume node, our next significant one would be this at 28 and higher at the 30s. So yeah, if we're just trading according to volume nodes, that's what you have. Let's not pretend that we can't see that we have these NPOCs, naked point of controls, at the bottom at around $20, and we have another level 18 that coincides with that level I was talking about for ages, 18.343. So we have these pink lines, and I like to zoom in to focus on the shorter time frame, what is immediately close by. It makes it easier to analyze the chart. So to the downside, my closest one would be at around $17, and to the upside, my closest 27. Those are the two ranges I'll be looking at and seeing how price reacts when it gets to it. That's my update on Solana. This move up could be wave 4 done down here, and we're going up for wave 5. We didn't get as low as I wanted to, or this wave up could be just a completion of the bigger wave 3 from the downside, from down there, and we're going to come down for a fourth, then a fifth. We'll see how price action plays, but we might get what we got last weekend, a pump for the weekend, since the markets are closed. All right, if you like the update, like the video, and if you really like them, subscribe to the channel and join the free Discord. Link will be in the channel description, and in the video description. More trades. I'm out.